Let us see parallel combination like this. We are having one EMF E and resistance R, another EMF E, internal resistance R, third one E and R, all are same. Okay, n times I have seen n R like this, E R E R E R. Okay, now it is connected through a external resistance like this. We see here total current will flow here. It will be I1, it will be I2, through here I3, and like this IN. All will adds up here and give current I. Okay. Now, how to write total resistance directly? How we will write here? We will write here like this. We know this resistance you can see here. This resistance, all are in series, all are in parallel combination. You can see here. Now we can write. We know this. Let me. Okay. E. We know all are having EMF E only. So total EMF will be E only by resistance R all in parallel. We can write like this: R by N. You remember that shortcut? Plus, I am writing like this: I is equal to net EMF. Net EMF is E only. Total resistance R by N plus R. We can write like this: take N common, NE by R plus NR, like this. Okay. Any problem to anyone? Any problem? You can now you can see similar case. Take similar case if R is much greater than NR. Okay, what will happen? It will be I is equal to NE by R. That means N into E by R. That means E by R. That means N times current supplied by one cell. That is beneficial. So for a parallel combination to have beneficial current, we need that internal resistance should be greater than external resistance here. Okay. Second case, if R is much lesser than R, capital R, what will happen? I is equal to NE by NR. All things will get cut, only E by R. We are not giving any profit, so not beneficial for us. So we should remember that for parallel combination, we should have a internal resistance much greater than external resistance to have a beneficial circuit arrangement. Okay. Any problem? I have written here. You can see cell of R must be connected in parallel to obtain strong current. You can see internal resistance should be of large. It should be a large. You see here. It is written as internal resistance should be large. You see here. It should be large to obtain a good current. Okay. Okay. Any problem? Any problem to anyone? Any problem?